This one sounds like a dime. Right here. It's not going to be very deep. I'm digging way too big of a plug. But I like digging the deep plugs, man. That one was way too deep. Okay, it's going to be a dime. Probably on its edge. I just get a lot of coins on their edge with this. Yes, it's a dime right on its edge. You see that? Plucking those dimes on the edge, man. This is a dime monster, man. These Nokta machines are just so good at plucking them coins off the edge. Plucking them out, man. And I can tell what it is. That one's really chunky. I'm gonna pinpoint this one. It could be jewelry. I'm not liking this one. It's giving me a lot of weird tones to it. It might be a sprinkler head right there or something. That's what I'm thinking, man. Or it could be some iron just right here in the soil. Watch it be a silver dime. It's not gonna be a silver dime though. It's a dime. So that's what it sounded like. It sounded like another dime. So it was just reading up, just really funky. Guess what that could be right there? That could be a silver dime right there. Or it could be a sprinkler head. I just hit a big root right there. Oh, big root, man. That's a nasty one. This is gonna be horrid, man. This thing is a big root down there, man. This could very well could be a silver dime right down here. Right underneath that thing, man. Hoping my GoPro battery doesn't die on me because I only brought one battery with me because I was only gonna dig for 1 hour today. It's gonna pop out right here. What do we got? It's down there still. It's down there, man. I'm just gonna need to open it up just a little bit here. Oops, made a mess. That's lovely, isn't it? I think it's gonna be a dime, man. It just sounded really good. It's not super clean, but it just sounded pretty darn good, I would say. Where did it go? Oh, I pressed my button on my pinpointer on accident. So, under the roots, man, that's where the silver's at. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I feel something down there. What's that? I'm right on top of it, too. Let me open it up a little bit here, extract some dirt. Excavate it a little bit wider there so I can pull some of this dirt out so I can pop it. Okay. Okay. I feel something crunchy down there, man. It's out right here. Right there. It's a nail. You know what I found around nails? I find silver around nails, man. Just amazing. And I find more nails too. It's not like there's just silver all around nails. There's a lot of junk around nails. Look at that. And dude, it's got pretty all over it, man. It's a buckle. Look at that. See? That's where I get them out, man. It's a buckle right there. Yes, sirree. Look at that. Mm-hmm. It's a buckle. See? Plucking them out, man. That's interesting. That's an interesting little buckle right there. I wonder how it performed or how it functions. So let me try to pop this out here. Yep, it's a buckle. It's a strap. It's a strap buckle. See? Look at that, man. Around the iron. Look at that. Just plucked that stuff right out. Deep, too. That thing was 8 inches deep. The simplex is The Simplex is really good at this too, getting deep relics around iron. But both machines are just awesome. There's another relic in the bag, and I'll clean up my mess. There's another iron nail. Let me pinpoint it again, because relics are around relics. No, my pinpointer's falsing. Yep. Okay. Let me hit this right here. No. Okay, let me clean up my mess here, and I'll show you how to get that plug back in there right, man. Get it nice and level. Clean up all the mess here, just like that. Flop it in there, just like I was never here, man. Look at that. See, right there. Got to buckle out, man. That was awesome recovery. Sweet. Now I know I'm coming back with my Simplex, because I need a new shaft on my Anfibio. It's driving me nuts. I'm gonna get a longer shaft for it, so it's not like out to here, because I'm 6 foot tall, and it's just, I need to get a different shaft. I'll order one tonight. Okay, there we go. There's a buckle. Thank you for watching.